Hello again. Let's talk about level system control with the HydroWHIZ. So you have a level configuration on your HydroWHIZ panel, which means your system runs with a level transducer, which is analog, as the primary input, and you can use float switches as a backup if needed. Your controller comes with its own unique inner door label showing exactly how the inputs are connected. In this example, we're looking at a standard dual pump controller with variable speed drives. Here's how your level connection works. A hydrostatic level transducer is your main control. You'll connect it to the analog input terminals and make sure that the shielding is connected to the earth terminal. There are two digital input terminals for low and high level backup floats. These act as a backup to start and stop the pump and trigger alarms if the water level gets too high or too low. If you are adding a backup low level float, you'll need to remove the bridge in the low level alarm input terminals and then connect the common and the close on rise brown wire to these terminals. The high level float is connected to the high alarm input in the same way. If you don't need backup floats, we unassign these in the parameters, which we'll show you later. And finally, if you're not using an external enable or disable signal, make sure there is a bridging wire in the system enable input. Once you've completed your input connections for your system, it's time to look at the pump and power connections. Your HydroWHIZ panel comes with VSD cabling that's sized for the pump you'll be connecting to. Connect this cable to the pump as per the pump manufacturer's instructions. The panel also has clearly marked terminals for the main power connections. On larger panels, these connections might come directly into an isolator or an MCCB, and earth neutral bars may be used for the earth and neutral connections. Once the pump power connections are complete, you can close the panel and power it up. Your HydroWHIZ system will be ready to operate.